strong.
Hey everyone, today I want to bring you a few quick tips for eating healthy-ish this holiday season. Follow these tips so you can eat good and still fit into your essentially noir shirts and hoodies. Tip number one, it's definitely a good idea to choose one meat. I know it's tempting, but hold off on filling up on too much animal based protein. Your body will love you later, especially if you don't plan on working out after your meal. Number two, okay, roast that bird. Ditch the fried foods or at least try to minimize them. Unnecessary saturated fat and loads of cholesterol will catch up with you later. It's just not a healthy practice to fry your foods. We season our food anyway, so cut back on the frying, okay? Number three, eat those greens, girl. Ditch the fatty meats and break out the seasonings and herbs, and you will be just fine, whether you're doing collards, mustard greens, or if you're fancy, eating kale. Get those greens on the plate. Number four. All right, y'all. Portions, portions, portions. We have to learn about portions and make sure that we control them. You can use a deck of cards or use your fist to make sure that you're getting the proper portions of your foods. Try a smaller plate or a lot of other tips that you can Google to make sure you're controlling your portions. Tip number 5. Okay, this is one that we should all be able to do. Get social and Zoom and eat. It'll help you slow down if you're talking. That is a known trick. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to tell your stomach that it's full. So get to chatting and take a drink with every bite just to make sure that you are slowing down while you're eating. Thanks for watching, y'all. Which tip can you incorporate? Remember, follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook, and find more tips and great apparel and accessories on our website. Happy holidays. See you in the next video.